the 19th of October, 8 o'clock Chicago time. The Friday just gone. The day session was scenario 1, followed by scenario 2. Because scenario 1 was open, brief test low, and extension high to 500 century, and above that 21. We didn't quite get to 21, but we suddenly got to 500 and 508 above that. The open was very strong. Well, the open was balanced. Until we got to 10 to 9. We had this burst up, which was followed by a sell-off. Which lasted for the duration of the day and pretty much sold off at 2 in the afternoon in the last half hour. So we had a push up and then we had the sell off. My scenario for the sell off to the downside was down to the VPOC at 56. We didn't get that low, we got to naked VPOC 56, we got down to 64, which was the value area high of Thursday. Right, okay. So today, scenario 1. Scenario 1 for today is we open right on the edge of value area of Friday on top of the overnight VPOC, right here. There we are, the value area. So we open in scenario 1, test low to the overnight mid, chop around, get to the value area high of the overnight, and then the value area high of the day session, which is also the century figure. And once we've done explore the value area of Friday, pull back to the VPOC, Friday's VPOC at 96, and extend higher to Friday's high, and then compose the high volume node and also the weekly VPOC. So test areas are the 08, Friday high, 500, value area high, and then 96, the VPOC. There and there. Scenario 2. This will give us a range of around, the overnight mid is at 83. Around, what was that? 30 something points. Scenario 2. We open the overnight VPOC, test high to the Friday's VPOC at 96. So it's not this one, it's this one, it's 96. That's the VPOC at 96. Okay, test that. So test it here, test it here. Sell off. The value area low, mid. Test the composite high volume node at 80. And then sell off to the overnight low at 70. So 480 is the high volume node, composite high volume node, that's 480, it's there. And then 470, overnight low. And then attack the previous Friday's low. Prior week close. So that is a range of around 32, 33 points. Scenario 2. Scenario 3. Test low to the overnight mid and quickly push up. Take out the century, test the century, take out the high, test from above, and get to the LVN at 522. Scenario 3. So we test the value area high at century figure, then we test the high at 08, and then we extend to the LVN at 22. And scenario 4 is the opposite. Test up, brief test up, and sell off quickly, go to the flagpole, take out the overnight low, extend to the previous day's low, and then the naked VPOC at 56. That's scenario 4. And that's all.